Prepare for entry.
Setting up. In position.
Who's with me? I'm with you!
Contact!
I'm
Tango!
on it. Reloading! Okay, we'll cover your ass! They're here!
Threat neutralized!
Sure thing!
Reloading! I can't see them.
That all you got? They ain't got shit!
Go, go.
With pleasure.
Kill them all!
In position! Tango neutralized!
Double time!
Roger. In position. Reloading.
Double time.
On my way. There it is.
Jump! Do it!
Yes, sir. Engage out. Keep them off me. I'll cover you. Shit!
Go silent.
Sir.
Keep firing! Shut up and shoot!
Stack up.
Stacking. In position.
Go!
Contact Tango. Threat neutralized.
Frag and clear!
Frag and clear. Tango neutralized. Hostile down. Threat neutralized.
Double time.
Moving. In position.
Hustle.
Over there. Roger. In position.
Go.
Roger. Can't work with you in the way. There it is.
Jump! Do it!
Yes, sir. Engage on the Overwatch. I'll cover you. Contact Tango.
I won't shoot it! Help!
Get down! Gee, low! Hey, amazing Tango! Bloody nice kill! Hostile eliminated. Threat eliminated. Mag change. Contact Tango.
They got me pinned!
Engaging Tango. Got the blinder.
But I can only open and close the doors from down here. You will have to engage the enemy without me.
Understood. Mark, stay with John. I'll save you some of the fun.
Einen Monat hätte man nicht schaffen. Wenn es wirklich Angelegenheit. Habe ich ein paar Mal probieren müssen, gell?
Keep firing! Shut up! Help!
Good shot.
Irina, du blöde Hure. Jetzt bin ich fällig. Und Chefin, unter dir.
Maybe you love the scene, but you're too late.
Du geh, huckeln Sie hier.
Try
Oh, ich
stopping
hab's
the
gefunden.
missile now.
I'm heading for the blast-proof door. Open it on my mark, then you and Michael get your asses up here.
Warte, mach die Tür auf. Dann der Schlag jetzt. Jawohl.
Hold up.
Holding.
Regroup.
Komm, geht nerven doch. Ja, nicht, ist sie fällig.
Check your fire. You are weapons free.
Pass auf.
Fault. Right.
Sound suppressors off.
Soll den Verbrecher um ja.
Understood.
Come on, I won't shoot! Here!
Ja gut, das. Aber, ich hab's bei euch gehabt, oder? Jawohl. Ein Glück.
On your six.
Go loud.
Hua.
Welcher Depp hab ich da getroffen?
Go, go.
Got you now, bitch!
Ja, der Lümmel.
Go, go, go!
Copy. Contact. Tango. Under heavy fire. Reloading. Get behind cover. Fragged and down.
Moment, Heavy Fire braucht er.
In defensive position. Or another bad guy.
Und der drum. Nein, zufrieden.
Reload.
Der fix.
Go, go!
Der Bogen sagt nichts. Bleibst du mit durch.
Over there. Roger.
Der Rabauken.
I'm on empty, reloading! Okay, we'll cover your ass!
Double time!
Heading out.
Wo sind sie? Und Mann, kann ich sagen mit oder was?
Watch it, mate. In position. We have them.
Und er muss wirklich den Menschen kämpfen.
Under heavy
Those
fire.
ones.
Gee, oh, God. Hey. Reloading. Heavy on the trigger. Get behind cover. Go, go.
Mit dieser Irina. Du blöde Kur. Aber der da hinten hat die Festpisten.
Reloading.
Wie ein Blutekel.
Lost contact.
Moment. Der springt schon.
Reloading.
Eventuell.
Go, go, go.
Copy that. In position.
Guck. Du Volldepp. Also der Penner. Hey Mutter, springt umeinander.
Get over here.
Confirmed.
Aber Miss Irina, ist die getürmt oder was?
Double time.
Will do.
Prepare for entry.
Stacking up. In position.
Alter, wollen wir da bist. Die blöde Kur.
Late, as always.
I think I'm just in time to watch you die.
Also
Doesn't
Chefin,
matter.
du sitzt keine Kinder mehr in
Just
die
wish I
Welt.
could be around to watch you lose the war.
Go, go, go.
Ding Chavez,
In position.
Alistair Stanley, Noonan, Covington, Bryce, Weber. We know who you are. You can't hide anymore, Logan. We're taking the fight to you.
Und Chefin, hat er hinter dir?
Irina
Kleines
destroyed the
Squad.
missile controls. I cannot stop the launch sequence, and the missile truck is already on top of the dam in firing position.
Bloody hell. If we can reach that missile, boss, I can fix a charge on her.
We will let the missile launch. The charge can destroy the missile in flight without triggering its payload.
Hell of a plan, guys. Joe, you get that? Joe? Gabriel? Brody! God damn it!
Sir, we cannot worry about Joanna now. We must be on top of the dam before it is too late.
Let's go!
Zu spät. Ein Bayer kommt nie zu spät. Er kommt immer genau zur richtigen Zeit.
So the Tangos attacked Vegas to distract everyone from the dam.
Say they hit the dam first. Now it's Air Force Base, not a local military on them right quick. But if they attack Vegas big, they pull the military there, leaving this place wide open. On your six.
Pass auf, Mann.
Getting jumpy.
Da kriegen wir noch ein bisschen Munition, gell?
Swore I heard something. Hear that?
In
No.
position.
Geh doch, wer mehr doch. Und dann lauf jetzt. Mehr hinter noch drum.
Eyes open. We may have a situation. What kind of situation? The killing kind. The killing kind. I'll just keep position here. They want us to patrol. Fuck that. We're better off here. But Chris. Fuck Chris. Chris ain't here. Chris is always telling people to do shit he's too scared to do himself. We're staying right here.
Sound suppressors
Right,
on.
man.
Affirmative.
If he asks, send him to me. I'll straighten him out.
Und Baby. Sind meine Hüter. Oh, Scheiße.
So the Tangos attacked Vegas to
Unter den
distract
Teppich
everyone
runterfallen.
from the dam.
Say they hit the dam first. Now it's Air Force Base, not a local military on them right quick. But if they attack Vegas big, they pull the military there, leaving this place wide open.
Ja, der Witbold.
Anything?
Ja, bei der Buben.
Nothing yet.
Da haben wir noch Fan.
Who's that? Man, you're too nervous.
Following.
Darum ist ein bisschen Vorsicht geboten.
What? Thought I heard something.
Hold.
Holding, Logan.
Regroup on me.
On it.
Return fire only.
Aber Wurm zusammenreißen.
One, I heard something. Wait.
Sweet
Ja,
shot,
Bruder. Macht er nimmer.
Go, go.
Affirmative.
Weapons free.
Roger that.
in position.
Ja, pass auf. Da spricht er.
It's done. The missile is auto
Rocket.
for launch
Wie
and in
praktisch.
firing position. I've inputted Vegas as the target.
Da soll man muss ich das Ding aufhalten.
here.
Stack up.
Stacking up.
Wahrscheinlich, oder?
Copy.
In position.
Open and clear.
Wahrscheinlich, guter Prozess.
Contact Tango. X-ray.
Under heavy
Tango
fire!
down.
Ja, die Freiheit ist nicht mehr.
Cover, careful!
Mir fliegen die Kugeln um die Ohren.
Oh, God. Hey, man.
In defensive position. Tango, neutralized!
Bei der Ratte da draußen rum.
In position. Take them down! Ah! Flash!
Oh, Scheiße.
Under heavy fire! Roger!
Ein der Mattel raus.
Dying! Do something! We have them!
See to him.
Confirmed! Engaging Tango!
Ja, man, klappt ihn zusammen.
In defensive position! Should have
I'm up, I'm up.
Go! Go!
Hustle.
Jawohl, wie schaut denn aus?
In position.
Ich glaube, die Bombe tickt.
Pull
Do it, Mac.
Der Victor.
You got it,
Double
boss.
tap.
Copy.
A little explosive should do the trick. Knock her right out the sky without triggering her payload.
Kann er das aufhalten? Mit dem Hof, oder?
Engaging Tango.
Bleibt aber nicht.
Hogan's down.
toll.
Cover me.
Der Mann war der Schuss in den Ofen.
So the Tangos attacked Vegas to distract everyone from the dam.
Say they hit the dam first. Now it's Air Force Base.
Also Freunde, ich sag's euch gleich.
On them right
Nach
quick.
Vegas gehen wir nie wieder.
But if they attack Vegas big,
Von Vegas habe ich die Schnauze voll.
military there, leaving this place wide open.
Anything? What was that?
Sollte die Augen wieder mal ein bisschen fatal gehen.
Following.
Er muss wieder flott sein. Weil wenn du flott bist, dann schaltest. Auf der Linie.
Thought I heard something. Hear that? No. Well, what was that?
Und jeder. Heckeinladung.
What?
Stack up.
Stacking.
Ah ja, sie müssen wie Deppert säubern, gell?
In position.
Frag and clear.
Frag and clear. She's a big one, isn't she?
We're launching in the firing position.
Engaging Tango. X-ray down. Jeez, get behind cover! Hey, man, we have them score. Heads down. Tango down. Tango neutralized. Watch it, mate. Bloody nice kill. Impressive.
Do it, Mac.
Copy that.
Freunde, huttig. Und der greift wieder nicht.
You got it, boss. A little explosive should do the trick. Knock her right out the sky without triggering her
Und
payload.
schafft das jetzt? Mit dem Hofer. Und wo ist das?
She's in the air. Fire in the hole.
Ja gut, neutralisiert.
Bloody nice.
Good job, Mac.
Oh, da. Eine verzwickte Nummer, gell? Und Tangos, habt ihr das Lager?
Position.
Go.
Copy that.
In position.
Aber ich glaube, ihr merkt da was. Ganz zufrieden ist er noch nicht.
Hustle.
Acknowledged.
Ah ja, da liegt der Heli.
In position.
Go, go, go.
Over there. Roger.
Gabriel, what's happening?
What's happening? Irina was supposed to kill you. Bitch failed, I see.
Son of a bitch. You're the reason Irina Morales knew about us. You're working for her.
We were working together. I set you up in the tunnels. I helped capture Khan. I was never with you in the first place. I was never your friend. Unfortunately, Irina screwed things up. So it's up to me to deliver the goods.
On me.
Will do.
Where's Joe and Brody?
Come and find out for yourself.
Gabriel und der Chopper.
We expected,
Das ist
eh,
nicht
mate?
schlecht.
Let's not disappoint him.
Aber da laufen ein Viertel, ha? Fühlt mir gar nicht. Oh Scheiße. MG nicht schön.
Go.
Hang out.
Freunde über die Flanke.
They have pulse generator already.
Head down, head down!
Stop Gabriel!
The chopper! It has a prototype!
Wo ist die
Gun
Firma?
emplacement!
Hostile down! Reloading!
Hostile pacified.
Das ist meine Chefin. Kennt ihr nicht in den Job, wa? Normalerweise.
Hostile eliminated.
Also der ist hier, oder? Doppelt und dreifach.
Double time.
Hey Baby. Ich glaub, die redet mit mir nicht. Die mag mich nicht.
Joe, you okay?
I'm fine. Christ, how could I have been so stupid?
Not your fault. He fooled us all. Check on Brody.
He was knocked out trying to help me. Gabriel forced us to land and a Tango pilot boarded the chopper. They were ready for us, Logan.
Yeah, well, we stopped.
Meine Chefin, ich bin blank.
Brody is
Ohne
okay.
Chopper.
Thank God. What about the chopper and Gabriel?
We couldn't stop him. He's got the bleeding micropulse.
That's not all. Gabriel knows everything about us, and he's working for someone with deep pockets. We got a Warren 6. We can't nail Gabriel and his backers. Rainbow's gonna get hit bad.
Well, AirCav is inbound. We'll worry about it then. But you did good, Logan. Khan would have been proud.
Not good enough, Joe. Not for Khan. This ain't over by a long shot.
Ja gut, er hat den Helikopter geklaut. Und ist durchbrennt.
The shadow sounds from bloodstained stone. The rifle sang in a deadly tone. But silence falls on dust and sand. The final battle by my hand, my hand. Lost enemy, plus de guerre. No bullets left, no foe remains. The murs se formed, la ville en song. One final shot, then silence reigns. Lost enemy, plus de guerre. No bullets left, no foe remains. The murs se formed, la ville en song. One final shot, then silence reigns. And so casa la guerra finita. Oh, the fight is done. Let's aktiviere la notte nostra. Raise your glasses, the night is warm. The smoke drifts high. The stars shine bright. A final song for the ones who died. The beer is cold, my feet are high. Le combat est fini, plus de cris de guerre. C'est foutu grenade, trop court encore. But tonight we drink, we fought, we won, lost enemy. Plus de guerre, no bullets left, no foe remains. Les murs se fondent, la ville au sol. One final shot, and silence reigns. Penso casa la guerra è finita. Oh, and oh, the fight is done. Aktiviere la notte nostra. Raise your glasses, the night is won. The smoke drifts high, the stars shine bright. A final song for the ones who died. The beer is cold, my feet are high. Le combat est fini, plus de cris de guerre. C'est foutu grenade, trop court encore. But tonight we drink, we thought we won. Mais faut gagner, pour nous faire tomber. A final drink for those who stay. Ora torni, città di peccato. Sleep now, city of sin, forever changed. One final shot, then silence reigns. The first still